like my mama.
Can't. I'm so annoyed. Oh, you guys are spoiled. What do we have? Do you, baby girl?
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do.
Honestly, I don't know what the plan is today, but I'm kind of over my bed, you guys. I feel like everything is just really neutral in here. My bed is a little neutral here, guys. I need to get some accent pillows that are a different color and maybe a different throw. Everything's just kind of looking the same color, and I'm just like, yeah, I don't know if I'm feeling this anymore. Because I used to have white bed sheets on here, like yesterday. These are actually new. And so the white, and then the pillows in the back, and then these pillows, you know, there was a little bit of a difference there, but now everything's like the same color and I don't like it. I was mentioning earlier how this was just like way too beige for me. So I went to Pillow Talk and I picked up a few items. So the first thing I got was this vase. I kind of want to go for a walk in the neighborhood and to see like what type of leaves I can find to put on here. Yeah, I'm going to put some leaves in here. And then I got these pillows. They're the karate chop type. And then I also got this little guy right here. I think once I put them all together, it's going to look pretty cute. Yeah, I don't know where to position you guys. Maybe I'll put you guys... No, you're too low over here. Where can I put you guys? I'm going to get a stool to put over here. It's kind of been a spring clean around here. I've just been moving things around. You know when you just kind of get over how everything's looking? So I cleaned up my kitchen the other day. There was a bunch of clutter everywhere. Clutter free. These toothpicks aren't supposed to be here. As you can see, I'm trying to declutter all over the place. All over the house. I just feel like there's a lot of things that are out of place and it's kind of just been getting on my last nerves. So that's kind of been the agenda the last few days. All right, let's get a stool and go set up my bedroom. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. I don't know if I should have that pillow in the middle or not. I kind of feel like I don't want it there. It just feels a bit cluttered with it. I'll put my vase over here. Oh my god, I got this candle the other day, you guys. It's called Diving into Cypress. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It smells so good. I can't wait to light this after. I think I'm gonna go for a walk and get some leaves to like fill that little space in because yeah, it's looking a little empty over there. Okay, so I just went for a walk around my neighborhood. I actually cut these from my own tree at the front, but I felt like a freak just like walking around looking at everyone's trees. Picked up some of these. I don't know if they're gonna work. I don't know if I just want the branches or if I want the leaves on it as well, but let's put it in the pot and just see how it's looking. There's plenty more leaves on there, so it'll be alright, guys. Oh, that looks nice. This is actually very, very cute. I'm liking this. It's definitely giving the room a bit of an autumn touch that I wanted. I feel like sometimes you just need a bit of a refresh in your room, Just kind of have things feeling fresh and new. I feel like today is just my day, you know what I mean? Got my house looking fresh. My packages finally arrived. I feel like it's gonna be a bit of a Pretty Little Thing haul. I don't know if it's gonna be a try on haul, you guys, because I cannot be bothered right now. You know, it's winter right now, you guys, and I just feel like I don't have any winter coats. Ordered a few things from Pretty Little Thing. As you guys know, it's kind of a hit or miss. Like, some things are great, some things are not so great. I'll try this one on because I'm already kind of dressed anyway. But what size did I get? I got a UK 10. This looks really oversized. Okay, so I got this trench. Let's see how it looks. It is very oversized. Let me go to the mirror. It's very oversized, which is what I wanted, right? And it's super warm too. Okay, I like this one. So they're cargo pants. They fit really well, right? They fit good around the waist and everything. But can we just look at the length? Look at the length. Can't. I'm so annoyed.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving same reviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improve, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard.
Put a milk into that circle here. Put the milk into it. Put the milk in it now. Put the milk in that circle. Ooh.
The egg can go in now.
Ooh, I'm gonna put it in the circle. Can I mix it? Can I help Zoe mix it?
Oh, there you go.
Mama, look.
Here is our little decorations. There's little bunnies on there. There's little carrots. These
This
are so
one's
cute.
my plate, okay? So I'm going to eat it right now.
Tell her
I'm having these two. Because I don't like your
because
frosting.
she's not a frosting fan, so
I don't like frosting.
it's all good.
I'm having these.
Okay, no worries.
I'm having Julie's frosting one more.
No worries. Do you, baby girl? Do you, baby girl?
That means
Alright, this is my little cupcake. Cute is this? I'll put this right here.
this is how mine turned out.
What are we watching, guys?
Little rascals.
The
And we
Little
And
Rascals.
we made princess beds.
Ava set up these beds. She's a cute little designer eye. She made them look so cute and comfortable. Good job, baby. So excited to watch this. This is my favorite show. You know, when I was a kid, I literally knew every single line from this movie. I've watched it probably over 100 times. It's my favorite. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna love it. Oh, you guys are spoiled. What do we have? We've got popcorn. We've got a bunch of candy.
We have we have a big bed.
You got a big bed. You got all your toys. We are ready to go. Hey guys, how are we? We're headed to this place called the Beverly Rooftop. I saw this place on Instagram, as I find a lot of the places that we go to these days. But we're just gonna go out for dinner, get some content, hopefully, and yeah, just enjoy our night. It's got a really pretty view. I really wanted to go for sunset, but as you can see, golden hour is happening right now and I've got the sun in my eyes. So I'm not sure if we're going to be able to catch sunset because our reservation's at 6 o'clock. Obviously daylight savings and everything, the sun sets a lot earlier. Otherwise we'll get the city skyline at night, so I think it'll be pretty either way. I did have gel, but 2 weeks ago I took off the gel and I've just kind of been letting my nails do their own thing and actually grow, because I feel like I've had acrylic for ages. But you guys know that feeling when you go and get your nails done and you get acrylic all the time, or you get SNS all the time, that gross feeling, like where your nail just feels like it's gonna bend backwards. Ugh, I hate that. It literally sends shivers down my spine. It's like a gross ass feeling. But anyways, all that to say, I was trying to be my own nail tech today. Let me give you guys a look. Alright, so you guys see the shape of my nails? I actually really love the shape of them right now and the length. As you can see, I used nail polish today to just have like a bit of color, and I don't know, I guess I didn't wait for it to dry or whatever, and it's just like looking like a hot ass mess. It looks like it's going to be a really nice sunset tonight too, which is kind of annoying, but it's all good.
3, 2. Keep your arm there. Good. Because there's a light behind your arm. Look back at that light.
The lighting is good here. I used to hate oysters. Ooh, thank you. I don't know if I liked it. Let's try this flavor. I like that one.
Yeah, we can tell by the smile on your face.
I like this. You don't like the mac and cheese? He doesn't like mac and cheese.
It's alright. It ain't my mama's.
It ain't your mama's?
Nuh-uh. It's just one bite. One bite, one review. Shimmy is good in my book.
I feel like...
Did you give a shimmy or what was that?
That was a shimmy. What do you think? Do you like it? We just got done with dinner and yeah, everything was really good here. Did you actually genuinely like the food?
Yes.
Yeah? Because you're like hard to please.
Yeah, but I would come back, so yeah.
What's the plan? What are we doing now? What else is happening on date night?
Figure it out, won't we?
I kind of feel like we should take advantage. Had the same drink all night. So we fat and happy?
I'm happy. I want to say overate. I'm not fat.
Yeah, I definitely didn't overeat. I could have had more of that mac and cheese for sure.
Nah, we cool with that.
Anyways, I'm not sure what we're about to do. What are we gonna do? Well, the night is young. What should we do? We're two young kids out on the town. Kid free? What should we do?
Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar.